As part of my annual routine, I've been working on my in-cabin air filters, and I've been doing my best to share as many videos as I can about the processes and about the subject in general. And I anticipate that one of the follow-up questions is going to be, how often are we supposed to change these anyway? Because when you look at the videos I've been sharing, some of the filters are coming out pretty filthy, while some of them are moderately clean. As you can imagine with anything else, if you do it on a time basis, you might end up doing it too frequently or maybe not frequently enough. And obviously, most people don't want to waste their filters. On the other hand, some people don't want to breathe that bad air or basically risk their lives and their health over a few dollars. So there is an official recommendation from Nissan. Generally, it is 1 year. So you're supposed to replace them at a minimum of 1 year. The mileage recommendation changes a little bit, and I'll show you one of those discrepancies. Let's look at the 2006 Infiniti M45, because I do know for certain this one has a mileage recommendation on it. So when you come here, reach out and open the glove box. When you look over here, this sticker tells you that in North America, you're supposed to do it every 15,000 miles or 1 year. People outside of the States still have to do it 1 year, but it's going to be a little more frequently, every 12,000 miles. Well, take that however you want it to mean. Either people outside the States don't drive as much as people in North America, or two, that our air quality is much better so it can go longer. Okay, I know the Infiniti Q45 is one of those that I want to show you. So let's get to this one. Open the glove box. Big and bold sticker over here. This one tells you that you should do it every 12 months, so still a year. However, it tells you 12,000 kilometers. And when you convert that over, that's approximately 7,500 miles. So it gives you the same time duration, but it gives you half the mileage recommendation, which means if you were to go by mileage, you're going to do this twice as frequently as the other one. Although it tells you 1 year still. Let's look at this one right here, Infiniti FX50. I think this one does have a sticker on it. I believe it does. Let's see. It does. It's all the way in there, but let's see if the phone focuses. Yep, this one tells you 1 year, 15,000 miles. So it's pretty much the same as the M45. Okay. Outside, still 12,000 miles or 1 year. Okay, so again, I'm making this video. It's not like it's such a big deal. At the end of the day, you do whatever you want to do. You know, it's your health, your money, and all that. Some people choose to say, hey, if in doubt, just change it. And when you look at the videos in the series, you'll realize that some of these filters are easier to reach, so you can just take a look, and if it looks dirty to you, replace them. But some of them, by the time you're taking all the effort to go look at it, might as well just replace it. And then again, I've made videos showing the different costs for these filters. Some of them are 20 bucks, some of them are 40. So, you know, why waste the time? Well, I didn't do the M56, some might have noticed that, and this is the reason. The M56 does not give you a very easy way to tell, because this glove box doesn't really have any stickers. That's the only reason. But still, in my records, I do my best to do it every year at least. But there are filters that maybe can last longer, do better, etc. The reason of these videos is just to show you what the process is supposed to be like, maybe filter options that you have, how to install them correctly, you know, all that good stuff.